léiríidir dintúirí agus teachtaníir agus misneach agus tá an ghaileh críoch na henúachtar henan é ag an ghaileh náid héine go muoineáin chútsa a thulacha.
Bradshaw and Sholom, Aaron Bork, Garrett, what a performance from Galway. You have to be happy with that.
Yeah, we dug deep in the second half. We had a lot to work on after last week, and I suppose we made sure number one was work rate, and we managed to turn around in that second half.
It was an excellent second half performance, but even the first half you managed to keep Monaghan out and you really set yourselves up with a great defensive stall there and breaking out and getting some scores to keep the scoreboard tucking over. What is it with this Galway team?
You know, there's a bit of resilience there. Everybody's putting their shoulder to the wheel. We're a lot of men down, but you know the boys that are coming in are working their socks off on the pitch, and I suppose it's paying dividends. It didn't go to plan last week, but we learned a lot from that, and we'll move on. And that's the third game, and that's all it is.
Yeah, it's 2 points on the board. You've got to be happy coming up to Monaghan. It's not an easy place to come and get any points, and to get this win after last week's performance in particular, well done.
Cheers. Thanks very much.